Today we're doing a puppy sign for a surprise video. Once I got the purple one, it came with 3, but I'm so excited what's in this pink one. Now let's check it out. Look at her! Look how cute she is. She's a little baby, and she's one of the other babies. And look at this one. This one kind of matches, but it's different. And we got this one. And this one's very, she's closing her eyes, and it's different than the kitty one. I haven't got that one yet, and there's a rainbow dog. Oh, there's a teeny one. And these are all girls. And there's a teeny one. I can't believe it. Bye guys. Leave in the comments if you like this video. Give a thumbs up if you like this video.